back to Detroit Drone Flight. So I'm here at a location, a very disclosed private location. Once again, bring you guys another drone video for the drone hobbyists here. About to take the Mavic Air 2S out for some flight over some water. Going to check out some distance and to see how far the actual drone can fly. We got that AccuSync 3.0, obviously, with this new drone. So we're gonna check that out. We're gonna check out some photos. We're gonna check out some video capabilities. We're gonna check out some all type of capabilities that come with this new drone. Pardon the highway noise in the background. Can't help that. It is what it is. But hope you guys enjoy the footage. For my drone hobbyists, enthusiasts out there, this is for you once again. Let's get into it. I just wrapped up my shoot with the Mavic Air 2S here at this wonderful location. Got some photos, raw photos, got some 4K, 5.4K photos, 25 frames per second. The drone performed flawlessly. The obstacle avoidance performed flawlessly as well. I'm pretty much pleased with the drone. It is an upgrade from the Mavic Air 2, obviously. So I would definitely recommend this drone, even if you have the Mavic Air 2, with the features that comes with this drone. You know, you just can't beat it. It's just showing that, you know, DJI knows what they're doing when it comes to making these drones. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.